Hello friends! Are you ready to kickstart a transformation that will have you looking and feeling amazing in just 4 weeks? Maybe you've been putting it off, thinking it takes forever to see results. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. With the right exercises and commitment, amazing changes are right around the corner. Imagine turning heads and feeling unstoppable, all by committing to a simple yet powerful workout plan. Today, we're revealing the top 5 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. That's right. Now, these aren't just any exercises. They're tried and true movements that engage multiple muscle groups, boost your metabolism, tone your body, and accelerate fat loss. So if you're ready to elevate your fitness game and see real results fast, stick around. First up, we have the king of all exercises, the squat. Squats are phenomenal for building lower body strength and power. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even engage your core. By activating some of the largest muscles in your body, squats stimulate hormonal responses that contribute to muscle growth and fat loss. Plus, they enhance functional mobility, making everyday movements easier. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats are a powerhouse for sculpting your lower body, helping you build lean muscle mass in your thighs and glutes. This leads to toned legs and a firm, lifted butt, the foundation of an impressive physique. Increasing muscle mass in these areas also boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. This means faster fat loss and a leaner, more defined appearance. Squats can enhance muscle symmetry and definition, contributing to a balanced and aesthetically pleasing look. Now let's talk about how to do a squat correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keeping your chest up and back straight. Imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Push your hips backward, bend your knees, and lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then push through your heels to rise back up. If you're a beginner at squats, aim for 3 sets of 12 repetitions, working up to 4 sets of 15 reps. For those looking to amp up the intensity, try adding weights like dumbbells or a barbell. You can also perform what's known as a pulse squat by adding small pulses at the bottom for that extra burn. One common mistake to watch out for is letting your knees cave inward. Always keep them aligned over your toes. Also, avoid lifting your heels off the ground or rounding your back. Next up is the classic push-up, a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength and improving muscular endurance. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and engage your core for stability. This compound movement not only enhances your upper body development, but also boosts your functional fitness for daily activities. But there's more. Push-ups are excellent for sculpting a defined upper body. They help you develop a strong, toned chest and shoulders, and well-defined triceps, giving you that coveted V-shaped torso. By engaging your core, push-ups also contribute to a flatter stomach and tighter midsection. Increasing muscle mass in your upper body boosts your metabolism, aiding in fat loss and revealing muscle definition. Incorporating push-ups into your routine can dramatically improve your physique, making your upper body look more powerful and toned. To perform a push-up, place your hands shoulder-width apart on the ground, keeping your body in a straight line from head to toe. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body, then push back up while exhaling. Start with 3 sets of 8-10 reps, increasing to 4 sets of 15 reps as you get stronger. For an advanced variation, elevate your feet on a bench for a more challenging decline push-up. Or bring your hands closer together for a diamond push-up that intensifies the focus on your triceps. Be mindful not to let your hips sag or pike up, and avoid flaring your elbows out wide. Keep your neck neutral. Don't strain it by looking up or down too much. Alright, we've been through 2 excellent exercises for your body. Are you ready to crank up the intensity? Burpees are your go-to exercise for a full body workout that skyrockets your heart rate and burns major calories. This high-intensity movement combines strength training and cardio, engaging multiple muscle groups while improving your cardiovascular fitness. The result? Accelerated fat loss and enhanced endurance. But that's not all. Burpees are a calorie-torching exercise that can help you shed unwanted pounds quickly. They work your entire body, promoting muscle growth and definition across multiple areas, including your arms, chest, legs, and core. This leads to a more toned and athletic appearance. Burpees also enhance muscle endurance, allowing you to train harder and longer, which contributes to faster body transformations. Incorporating burpees can help you reveal those lean muscles and achieve a more ripped, toned and defined body in a short amount of time. To perform a burpee, start standing tall, drop into a squat position and place your hands on the ground in front of you. Kick your feet back into a plank position and perform a push-up. Jump your feet back to the squat position, then explode upwards into a jump with your hands reaching overhead. You'll feel it after a few repetitions, but it's an amazing exercise. It's important not to skip any part of the movement. Each component counts toward its effectiveness. Avoid letting your hips sag during the plank and keep your movements controlled to prevent injury. For an extra challenge, add a tuck jump by bringing your knees up during the jump, or, if you have access to a pull-up bar, finish the burpee with a pull-up. Begin with 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps, progressing to 4 sets of 12 reps as your fitness improves. Increase intensity by adding a tuck jump or incorporating a pull-up. Burpees are known to elevate your metabolic rate, enhancing calorie burn even after your workout is over. This is partly due to the afterburn effect, or what's known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, which can help you burn additional calories as your body recovers. On to exercise number 4. Focus on strengthening that core with the plank maneuver. This exercise might look simple, but it's incredibly effective for building core stability and endurance. A strong core is essential not just for aesthetic abs, but also for improving posture and reducing the risk of back injuries. Planks are one of the most effective exercises for achieving a flat, toned stomach and chiseling those six-pack abs. By engaging your entire core, planks help tighten your midsection, reduce waist size, and improve muscle definition. They also strengthen your back and shoulders, contributing to a more sculpted upper body. Regularly performing planks enhances muscle endurance, allowing you to hold longer and intensify the abdominal workout, leading to more pronounced results in your physique. If you're aiming for that lean, tight, and defined look, planks are a must-have in your routine. To perform a plank, place your forearms on the ground with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs back, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, glutes, and legs, and hold this position without letting your hips drop or rise. If you're new to this exercise, aim for a hold time of 30 seconds, 3 times. Gradually work up to 60-second holds for 4 sets. For an extra challenge, try side planks or plank with leg lifts. Avoid arching your back or letting it round, and keep your neck in line with your spine. Don't look up or down excessively. Remember to breathe steadily. Holding your breath can make the exercise more difficult and less effective. To increase the difficulty, rotate into side planks to target your obliques, or alternately lift each leg while holding the plank. Last but certainly not least, we have the glute bridge. This exercise is fantastic for isolating and strengthening the glute muscles, which not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also supports the pelvis and reduces the risk of injuries in the lower back and knees. Strong glutes are essential for overall lower body power and stability. The benefits don't stop there. Glute bridges are perfect for lifting and firming your glutes, helping you achieve a perkier, more rounded butt. They also tone your hamstrings and lower back, enhancing the overall shape and appearance of your lower body. By strengthening these muscles, glute bridges contribute to a more defined and sculpted physique. Plus, they engage your core, assisting in flattening your stomach and improving muscle definition. Incorporating glute bridges can help you build that hourglass figure or a more athletic, balanced silhouette, enhancing your body's curves in all the right places. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place your arms by your sides with palms facing down. Push through your heels to lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower back down slowly. Start with 3 sets of 12 reps, working up to 4 sets of 15 reps. As you advance, add resistance by placing a dumbbell or barbell across your hips. Be careful not to overextend your back. The lift should come from your hips. Focus on pushing with your heels rather than your toes, and keep your knees aligned over your feet. For an added challenge, perform a single leg glute bridge by extending one leg while lifting, or place a dumbbell or barbell across your hips for extra resistance. Congratulations! You've just discovered the top 5 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. These exercises are powerful because they work multiple muscle groups, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall fitness. Remember, the key to transformation is consistency. Commit to performing these exercises regularly, maintain proper form, and pair your workouts with a balanced diet. You'll be amazed at the results. If you're excited to start this transformative journey, please tap like on this video. It would help us a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more impactful fitness tips and share this video with friends and family who are looking to take their fitness to the next level. Let's build a community of motivated individuals striving for greatness. Drop a comment below about which exercise you're most excited to try, and feel free to ask any questions in the chat. Stay strong, stay committed, and let's transform together. See you in the next video.